Are you currently having problems with Instagram messages not showing and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this issue. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know. And the first step is going to be for us to go into our Instagram app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my Instagram app right here. So what I'm going to do now is to come to my profile, as you can see. And now when you're on your profile, then what you're going to do after this is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, we get a couple of options in here. But actually what you need to do is to click on settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy, and then you should be taken to this page right here. Now scroll down in here. Keep scrolling down until you can see where it says help. So click on help. Now click on report a problem, and then once again click on report a problem. Click on include and continue, and then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. Now on this page, actually you might wonder, why do you have to come here? And that is a great question. The reason why you need to come to this page is because in here we're able to contact the Instagram customer support, and they are the ones that can actually help us to fix this issue. So basically that is why you need to come here, and they do help, just so you know. So now you need to write like this. So write like this: I am having issues with Instagram messages not showing. I need this to be fixed. You can even be more specific if it's for one specific person that it's not showing, or if it's everything. Well, then of course you can be more specific in here as well, just so you know. But basically you can write like this: I'm having issues with Instagram messages not showing. I need this to be fixed. Now click on send in the top right corner. Don't forget to click on send. And after this, you will need to wait about 24 to 48 hours for the Instagram support to see this. And hopefully after they have seen this, then this should be fixed for you. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.